So here we go for question 14 of June 2017, paper 2 foundation calculator. Factorize 5 minus 10m. Factorize means to take out what is common to both. And you can see that 10 has a product of 5 times 2. So 5 is in 5 and 5 is in 10. So I can write it like this: 5 times 1, because that makes 5, minus 5 times 2m. And we don't put a times symbol there because that means, in algebraic terms, 2 times m. So now what I do is I take out the 5, open a bracket, and then throw in what you have here. And there you go. Most people will get this bit wrong here, forget the 1. But if you keep doing it in times table form, then you should be fine. So let's look at this one here. Factorize fully. Now we've got some powers here. So what I do is I reconstruct this differently. But also I can see I've got a 2 here and a 2 here, 2 3s. So I'm going to do 2 times 1, like we did up here. And then I'm going to go AA instead of a squared. I write it as AA, B, plus 2 times 3, A, and then B, 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 because it's B, it's B squared. Now, take out what's common in both these terms. I can see a 2, so take that out. I can see an A, so take that out. I can see a B, so take that out. Open a bracket and throw whatever's left in. 1A. So you can write 1A, or you literally could just write A, because it means 1A. Plus, and then I've got 3B. You can always check by multiplying out to see if you made a mistake or not as well, and that's always good. So let's look at question 15. So question 15 is about standard form numbers. So this is 4.7 times 10 to the minus 1. The minus means it's a small number. So the way I do this is I get my decimal point there, but I'm making it small. So I'm going back one step, and I know the purists will say you shouldn't do it this way, but for the test purposes, this is how most of the people see it. So actually it's like that. It's like that. Some calculators you can type it in and it will sort it out, but my one unfortunately doesn't. But it will sort this one out. Okay, so I'm going to put this into my calculator because it's a calculator test, and I'll see how this all works. So I haven't tried this, so let's just see. Okay, so it's 2.4. Oh, it's in brackets. Let's put it in brackets. Let's do it exactly as they've got it there. Bracket 2.4 times. Now I'm going to use 10. I could use this button down here. Okay, I can use that button, but I get a bit nervous about what that means. Because if I did that button there, I then get 10 times 10. So if I put a 3 in, does it look like it? It looks a bit scary to me. I don't know if that's true or works or not, but I'm practicing. So let's just practice and see if it works, and I'll try the other way afterwards. And it says multiply by open bracket 9.5. So put 9.5 in. Again, now I'm going to times by, so here, oh look, I've got 2 times buttons. I don't need that because it's already there. Delete that. Ah, that might be the way around. So get used to your calculator, because it actually is quite a powerful thing in the end. Open bracket. Now I'm going to press equals, and it gives a very large number. And if I press equals again, or ST, nothing like that. So that's the kind of big guy number, but that's not in standard form. That's not in standard form, but let's write that out anyway. It's worth 2 marks, so I might get 1 mark for this. Check the answer book. Right, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So that's it written out. Now in standard form has to have 1 digit and then a decimal point. And I need to add these 2 in. It doesn't say to any significant figures, so I do it like that. And these aren't significant. Okay. So I then times, and I see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 before the dot goes there. It's a large number. So that's how I do it like that. Question 14 and 15.